How's it going, everybody? Welcome to another day of the vlog. Today is going to be another automotive vlog for you. So in today's video, I have my girlfriend's car and her AC is making a noise. So I don't know if you can hear that. So that's a clicking noise. So what's happening is it only happens when you turn the AC on or off. It happens when you initially turn the car on as well, but essentially when you're switching through the modes, it makes a clicking sound. So I've already diagnosed it. I had to order the part, so I already got that ordered, but I'm going to show you guys what it is and how it was that I figured it out. So the first thing is you have to know exactly what the symptom is. So, you know, turn the car on, and once you start cycling through those AC modes, so whether, you know, it be defrost, the vent, you know, the foot vents, like, didn't matter which one it was, it makes this clicking noise every time. But the AC still works fine. So what I ended up doing was I located the noise, which was coming from the passenger side, this side over here. And as you can see, I already took the glove box out, and I'll go show you on the other side real quick. All right, so we're over here. This is the passenger side. So as you can see, there's pretty much this one's the only one that you actually see. There's a couple other doors here, but this is the one you actually see, and this is the mode door. This is the one that's actually the issue. But the easiest way to figure it out is you turn the AC on, and you start swapping through the modes. And I actually just put my hand on it, and I don't know if you can see it, but the connector bounces up and down. So it shouldn't actually be doing that. It should be a smooth drive on it. So essentially what's happening is there's a gear inside there, and it's stripped. So that's the reason it's bouncing back and forth. It's trying to spin the gear in there, and it can't find the actual position. So that's why you're able to see where it moves. But the easiest way is just put your hand on it, and you can kind of see where things are clicking and whatnot. So that'll tell you pretty much where the issue is. So with that being said, we know where the issue is here. I'm gonna remove the little locking clip, push the pin in, and then we got our clip out right here. So there's two Torx. There's one down here at the bottom, there's one on the top right, and we're gonna remove those. And then I'll show you what it's like once it comes out, and then we'll show you the new part. We'll put it back in. It should be very simple, extremely simple actually. Okay, so I have the piece taken off right here. It was actually really simple. I ended up using a T15, but I think it's actually a T20. It was a little loose in there in order to take it off. But anyways, this is the old part right here. So you just take it off. It's got one connector. It's pretty much, when you look at it from the glove compartment area, you'll pretty much just see it, you know, sitting there like this. There is a Torx right here, and there's one on the very top corner, and then down here is just a little guide pin. So it just kind of sits here like this. I don't even know if you guys can see that. Hopefully you can. But anyways, so I remove it. Here is my new component right here. So it's just gonna go pretty much the same way. I'm gonna go ahead and bolt it up, and then we're gonna test it out, and the issue should be resolved after that. I mean, it wasn't too difficult. The diagnosis was fairly simple. You just kind of had to follow where the noise was and just kind of feel around where the clicking was. So it wasn't too bad. So let's go ahead and install this, and then we'll verify that we've actually fixed it. And after that, good to go. All right, so I got the piece put back in there. I got it connected, and we actually have the car running. So the connector's right here. I put in the first Torx down here. There's the other Torx out in the top corner, like I said. So now go ahead and switch to modes. That's off. Next mode. No clicking sound. Got air in the foot compartment. We got air coming out of the vents, and no clicking sound. Blowing out the vents, still no clicking sound. So that pretty much fixed our issue. So that was actually really quick. Between diagnosis, actually taking the part off, putting it back on, probably takes a total of, I don't know, I'm gonna say maybe 20 minutes max that you're gonna be involved in this. It took longer to get the part than it did to actually diagnose, remove, and install it. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and then you know, hope you guys keep on tuning in. You know, I'll keep posting some more stuff. Hope you guys are enjoying the videos, but other than that, hope to catch you guys in another video. Until then, go out, have fun, and enjoy what you do. Peace.